Have in mind?
Tell me.
Taco Tuesday.
Oh.
And speaking of it, it's today's Doodlecast.
And you know what? It's National Tortilla Chip Day. So that's the inspiration behind the Doodlecast.
Okay.
Oh, I love it. And they're swimming in a pool of salsa, it looks like.
Yes, they're taking a big jump in. I mean, are you one that prefers salsa, guacamole, or queso?
Oh.
Or D, all of the above?
I like
All
the
of the
bean
above.
salsa. The mix of the salsa with like a bean
Okay.
dip, that's my
Okay.
go-to.
Oh, yum.
I like the guac, but I also like the other kind. It has to be spicy.
All of the above, I think, is the answer.
See, that's my answer. I mean, if it's there, I'm going to eat it if it's out. But you know what? It is National Tortilla Chip Day, so that is the inspiration behind the Doodlecast. It is going to be windy today, and we are going to have a late day high temperature that is near 40 degrees this afternoon, but it's going to be much later in the day. And then we are going to have, excuse me, mostly cloudy skies for the rest of the afternoon. But showing you a look at Piper Sikoski's doodle. I love this one. Inspired by a tornado. She's 6 years old. She's actually my niece and drew this Doodlecast for us. She drew a rainbow too. The scribbles, I have been told, those are the strong winds with the tornado. And then you could see her family is down there on the bottom, including her dog. That is the very far left, what you see on the screen. You could see they're running away from the tornado. So I just recommend, going into an interior room or a basement. And then we also have Cruz's Doodlecast, 5 years old. Cruz wants to be a meteorologist when he grows up. So I thought this was really fascinating. A very elaborate doodle. It's called Tornado Warning. He is fascinated by tornadoes. You can see all the debris flying in the air. And he drew this as a reminder how important it is to seek shelter with a tornado, in particular into a basement. Thank you so much, Cruz, for sending in your picture and sharing with us this morning. If you want to see your photo featured on our show, all you have to do is head to our website. Click the morning news tab, and then we have a section called Share Your Doodlecast, and that's where you can upload those pictures onto a gallery, and then you could we do like to show them on Tuesday morning. So it is really fun to see the different drawings, especially after that event that we did have last week. Saw some severe weather inspired Doodlecast recently. 29 is our temperature right now. We have a mostly cloudy sky at this hour, and the wind speeds are picking up too. 29 in Kokomo and Lafayette, already up to 30 degrees in Terre Haute. Sustained winds at 20 miles per hour, and we are going to have a chance of having wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour as we head into the afternoon. It will stay breezy this evening, but the wind speeds are going to become much lighter after midnight. And at that time, we are going to have winds anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. That'll be after midnight, but this is the setup that we have. Winds are out of the south. This is going to contribute to warmer temperatures, more seasonal highs. We should be in the lower to mid 40s this time of year. We should have a late day high closer to 40 degrees. And this higher pressure feature is actually going to keep us dry for the rest of the day. However, by tonight, a weaker cold front is going to drop down into the state, and it is going to produce a chance for a wintry mix. So I do want to show you the timing with our Futurecast. We are starting at 12:30. Skies are still mostly cloudy. Wouldn't be surprised to have some breaks in the clouds, so peaks of sun are still going to be a possibility, but certainly going to have the cloud cover dominating for today. And then for the evening hours, this is 6:45, still looking dry across central Indiana. When I fast forward to 10:15, you can see a little bit of that activity that shows up in our northwestern counties, and this is going to fall as a wintry mix as it travels across the state. I wouldn't rule out the possibility for a few isolated slick spots during the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. But notice as we get to 3:15, most of the activity does push off to the south and east, and then we should have more sunshine around for tomorrow. This afternoon will rise into the upper 30s. Once we get to 6-7 o'clock, we should be near 38 degrees, and then we will have a late day high that is closer to 40, and that's likely going to occur by the later evening hours. So 40 degrees around 11 p.m. and then our overnight low drops to 33. This will be after the cold front passes over the state and after we have that chance for a wintry mix. For tomorrow, 45 is going to be the high temperature. We are going to have brighter skies. It is going to be breezy throughout the day. We will have winds out of the west, but we will have a chance of seeing high temperatures rising into the lower to mid 40s with a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. Now, when we jump ahead to Thursday night, there is going to be another chance for a wintry mix, and that's going to carry into Thursday morning. And that's when we have another chance of seeing some slick road conditions as that wave travels across central Indiana. 44 for the high Thursday. We're up to 53 on Friday. Not a bad way to end the week. And even the first half of the weekend looks mild before we have another chance for a wintry mix late in the day Sunday and into Monday, and we're back into the 30s. We'll be back after the break.